when you state the solution you provide to prospects in a very short, very simple, and a very intriguing statement, it becomes very clear to them whether they're a fit for what you do or not. It sorts, sifts, and separates them. They're either interested or they're not. And that's okay either way. If they don't need the solutions you provide, that's fine. Don't get discouraged, because if they don't, somebody else will. So this little diagram here of core unique positioning statement is simply stating that the most crucial problems that your clients, prospects, your customers, your patients, that they want solved, and the goals that they want. Once you determine those things, and you only know them by asking, once you determine them, you can't guess. You can't guess what somebody's biggest problem is and, just hope you're going to get it right. You need to survey your ideal prospects so that you get at the heart of their real issues and you start getting people excited to come do business with you. And you can survey people by, asking them in Facebook groups or on LinkedIn, or you could email them, or if you know them, you could call them or have a conversation. You can use survey tools. There's surveymonkey.com. There's googlesurveytool.com. So the question you want to ask is, if I could help you with one X, so one, depending what you do, if I owned a spa, if I could help you with one beauty issue in the next 3 to 6 months, what would that issue be? As a business consultant, I would say, if I could help you with one business growth issue, what would that issue be? If you're a natural health and wellness practitioner, if I could help you with one health and wellness issue,